painting a volcano, and I'm pretending that it's on a whole other prehistoric world in a different solar system. And this is one fact that doesn't even have to do anything with what I'm doing. The galaxy group that we live in is called the local group. And it's made up of about, say, 30 galaxies. And each sun has a habitable zone. And Earth is in our sun's habitable zone. The sun is just a regular star, but it looks bigger because we're closer in. Volcanoes, well, they're on a lot of planets, such as Mars, Earth, but I'm not sure about the rest of the planets in our solar system. By the way, one of the planets in the solar system's moon has pink frost. And on an Ask Me book, on the picture, it showed 2 astronauts on the moon, on that moon, in a snowball fight. And volcanoes and the soil around volcanoes has good nutrients for growing plants. And so you can grow vegetables, fruits, and other plants around volcanoes. And they are very dangerous. So, like Mount Vesuvius, it buried a whole town. And scientists believe that Mount Vesuvius erupted when it was lunchtime. And people may have tried to escape, but they couldn't. And the people believed that the volcano gods were angry at them. That's pretty silly, right? And there are lots of parts to a volcano. And Um, some volcanoes are said to be extinct. And mythical creatures called dragons may have lived inside volcanoes, though they're only a myth. And all myths are wrong. It is a myth that one volcano in Alaska, that a volcano is extinct. It may just be dormant, and in 1,000 years it may just erupt. But we will never know but people who aren't volcanologists will never know what makes volcanoes erupt. Bye.